Creating a virtual network in Microsoft Azure involves a few key steps. Here's a simple guide. Sign into Azure Portal. Go to Azure Portal and log in with your Microsoft account. Navigate to Virtual Network. In the Azure Portal, click on Create a Resource. Search for Virtual Network and select Create. Configure basic settings. Subscription. Choose your Azure subscription. Resource group. Select an existing resource group or create a new one. Name. Enter a unique name for your virtual network. Region. Choose the region where your network resources will be hosted. Configure address space. IP address range. Define the address range for your virtual network. Azure automatically suggests default ranges, but you can customize this based on your needs. Create subnets. In the subnet section, define a subnet within the virtual network. You can create multiple subnets later if necessary. Configure additional options. Optionally, set DDoS protection and firewall rules as needed. Review and create. After reviewing the settings, click Create to deploy your virtual network. Use your VNet. Once created, you can associate resources like virtual machines or databases with your VNet to ensure secure communication between the cloud.